Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with the wig installation tutorial customization of this pink highlighted wig from Megalook hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. They actually sent me this wig and I've tried their hair before. If you all remember, I had like a blonde highlighted wig. Like Megalook comes through with highlighted wigs. Like I'm always like a little weary of buying highlighted wigs, but I'm gonna do a review on one soon. But this one, like I feel like Megalook does a really good job like transitioning to the color. Like it's not like harsh or anything. So I always really like that about them. But I'm going to take you all through the customization. Y'all see Time back there eating my plant. I'm going to take you all through the customization of this wig and it is just so pretty. Like I just love the way they highlight, like all of their colored wigs just give. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So the wig we'll be working with today is from Megalook hair. I had never seen a wig that looks like this, but the bag, before we get into that, the bag is full of little goodies, hair strips. Back to this wig. So this is 28 inches. I had never seen some of the wig colors Megalook has. They have like a blue highlight, a pink/purple highlight. They consider this purple. It looks pinky to me, but I love it, you guys. I love the distribution of color. It's so thick all the way to the ends. Like it was giving. I feel like Megalook does the best hair coloring jobs. It also has an elastic band in it that's going to make it super easy to wear glueless or even just a little extra support. But let's get into this customization. The first thing I always like to do is go ahead and bleach those knots. So when bleaching knots, you want your mixture to be a little thicker. So I'm using the BW2 bleaching powder, and then I'm going to use 50 volume developer because I want it to bleach fast. I'm very impatient. I don't have a specific measurement for how much I need, but I just want it to be thick. So when I turn the spoon or brush upside down, whatever, I don't want it to be dripping off of the spoon. Like it should be like a paste. So I personally like using a butter knife to spread the bleach on the wig. So that's what I'll be using, you guys. So it's kind of like, I kind of look at it as like icing a cake because you don't want to work the bleach too into the knots to where it's going through the hair. You just want to kind of just softly put it on the lace. Another great thing about this wig is it's a real 13x4. Like a lot of wigs, you get the little 2 inches on the side. It's the real deal. There go my little puppy over there looking, trying to see what's going on. But yeah, love it. I'm just going to put it all over the lace. I added some foil on top so it can bleach super fast, but I just let this sit for about 15 minutes before I rinse it off. So next we're going to pluck the hairline of the wig to make it look a little more natural. And the way I usually do this is I like to keep the front of the wig damp. I usually use some kind of spray bottle and wet it. But firstly, I pluck the hairs up front, like in no particular order. I just pluck them. And then I'm going to part like a 1/2 inch section and pluck into that section. And kind of just comb it back and forth to kind of look at it and see what areas I want a little more bald. My natural hairline is like more bald around like the temples, so I pluck that area pretty heavily and I keep the middle a little thicker usually. So we're gonna move on to the wig install. So y'all can see this wig is so pinkish purple. It's so cute. But the first thing I do is create little slits and kind of separate the lace in 3 sections. So I'm gonna slice down my my temple, you guys. And then I'm going to cut away the part near my ear to make sure the wig can like fit over my head and it's not like going over my ear at all. Today, I will actually be installing this wig using Bold Hold lace glue. This is just a little thing you can get from Amazon. I like to start in the middle. So what I'm going to do is just kind of put the glue where I want the lace to lie, blow dry it. I have it on cold or cool, but on the highest setting. So I'm going to blow dry it, glue again, blow dry, glue again. So I'm doing 3 layers before I actually put the lace down. When the glue looks clear, you know it's about ready to put the wig down and actually install your wig. So I'm using just the end of an eyebrow razor to kind of smooth the wig down and make sure it adheres to my skin or the glue. And it is in front of my hairline, you guys. So I don't put this kind of glue on my hairline or any kind of glue on my hairline. So then I'm going to move to the side, doing the sides one at a time. And I'll be using the same method on the sides that I used in the middle. So glue, blow dry, glue, blow dry, glue, blow dry. So lastly, I'm going to remove that excess lace with an eyebrow razor. So you don't want your lace cut off to be like too straight across. So an eyebrow razor or any kind of razor is definitely better than using scissors. You kind of want it to be choppy and not just like a man's hairline or something. So these little 99-cent eyebrow razors do the trick every time. And there are always little pieces that didn't get glued down all the way, so I kind of just go in and add a little glue, blow dry it, and just kind of fix up any pieces that are coming up a little bit. I'm going to tie my hair down and style it, and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so I decided to go with the side part. There go time in my plant. I decided to go with the side part. This hair is just so cute, just like this highlight color. Like, it's so hard to get by yourself. Like, I'm good at coloring hair, but when it comes to like doing streaks like this, it's so hard. And I feel like this company does like the perfect like black to whatever color ratio, the black to highlight. And I love that it's 1B. A lot of companies do that 4 and 27 color. I like the 1B and like a blonde, or a 1B and some kind of color, something fun, something cutesy. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.